Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. In today's video, I will be comparing the three latest rugged phone by Blackview. The phones are Blackview BV9300 Pro, which is the Pro version of the BV9300 that was released in 2023, Blackview BL8000, and Blackview BL9000. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe or leave a comment if you have any questions after watching the video.